to ask a question because I found the OLED exercise po very insightful and helpful, and I wish na we had this earlier in LU 3, 4, and even 5 po. So is it okay if we ask po how you were able to develop such framework? Do you have any certain influences in making the framework po? Yes po.
Okay. I thought you're going to ask question on the case. Okay. Okay. Anyway, okay. I developed it out of my arising from my practice of medicine after graduation from the UP College of Medicine and also from the residency program in the Philippine General Hospital, I try to rationalize and I try to analyze why are we doing this? Why are we doing this? No? Okay. So I came out with that framework also because of the motivate of the trigger because I was involved in the development of medical curriculum in the underserved area like Zamboanga Medical School Foundation. Okay, I started with the problem-based learning, and also when I was teaching the residents, surgical residents in the underserved area. No, okay, so I tried to develop a framework that will be easy to understand. Now that's why I included the cost and availability. Okay. So before I came out with the framework, no, I was not taught about the cost and availability factor. No, so when I go out to the provinces, when I spent my rural service for 6 months in Jumalig Island after graduation, I saw the need to invoke all those because in PGAs after internship, ito lang ginagawa ninyo, ito yung dapat gawin natin, no? But faced with the limited resources, you really have to adjust, no? So I decided to input also the cost and availability factors, okay? So that's it. So did I answer your questions?
Ah, yes po, sir. Thank you po.